Hello, I welcome you back to this Canva designing class. So here I'm going to teach you how to use background, how to add background to your design. So when you have used your customized page, you have to come to this place background. You have a lot of background to use. Have a lot of background to you. That's if you don't want to use already made templates that are already in the Canva. So when you come to this background, you can choose as many as you want. So you keep on going through it or searching for the type of background you need before you see the one you want. You can even go to Google, take a background, and in case you don't want to use the one on Canva here, so for this one you can go around. You can also use color for your background, anything. So if you are not able to see what you want here, you can go to Google. So let's use this background here now. So when you upload the background that you need, you can go ahead and continue with other designing. So this will lead us to other thing that we are going to learn on Canva.